Alright, we're getting ready. Got the ramps in. Putting the stake so the ramps don't slide down. Got the John Deere on the job. There's the ramps. Fixing to do this little project. Okay, that's the first video. There's the sump hole he's pumping out of, and the bridge, it's almost dry. Most everything is on the far side of the creek. Here's 4 or 5 inches deep. It's raining right now, so I don't know how much it'll pick up tonight. Shut down for the Friday night. Now it's Saturday morning. We built up about 4 inches of water. We got to pump that down. We're going to let it pump before we get in there and stir it all up. The leaves and trash keeps clogging up our suction strainers. So we're going to pump it down first. Alright, we got the pump running. We're going to pull this water down till we lose suction. Already moved it down an inch and a half. I can start to see the corner of the little drop off down there at the upstream dam. And when we get it down as low as we can, we'll put the electric sump pump on it. Mud on that side, and there's the inlet in with that other dam. Big load, big load. About the end of the first day, we got it scraped down. We've got pump problems. You can see most of it. Alright, day 2. Now we're pressure washing, and we get in there with a broom, and as he washes, I'm going to start pushing the mud this way. Got a bunch of the water pushed out. Get rid of this mud. We're piling it up, letting it dry. Doing that Mexican drag line into that bucket. That ain't no fun out in the sun. It's having fun. I mean, like it's working. Looks like it's working. Yeah, look at there. We're still on the creek job, but now we're downstream of the dam. Here on this dry deal. We got another dam right here. And so I don't know, it's a big old thick grass there, so I'm going to scoop this grass out, but not much else you can do with it. Trying to get a full load. That's the full load. Huh? All over. Got some more. Day 4 is kind of a total shutdown right now. Water's coming over the bridge. We had a bunch of rain early this morning and going over that dam. We're kind of hosed up right now. Maybe we can get this pump to working. I got a suction problem right there. Leaking air. Got to stop that. All right. Day 4. Bye. Alright, we're not having a lot of luck on our pump. We got a pump broke. Still got muddy water, but it doesn't